and it called for a yellow cake mix, but I'm using a vanilla. I had yellow, but grabbed the wrong one, but that's okay because it's still gonna taste good. All you need for this recipe is melted butter, apples, flour, cinnamon, sugar, and a little bit of Grammy's Twist, some fall sprinkles. And this is going to be yummy. I put the sugar and the cinnamon mixed here in the bowl. I'm just stirring it up a little, mixing her up, checking her twice. Okay, so what you need is 5 to 7 apples. This is ginger gold that I'm using. Excuse me, I've got a cold. A vanilla cake mix, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 stick of the real deal butter, and preheat the oven to 350. I'm sorry. I may not be on for the next day or so if I continue with this cough. So what I've done is I've sprayed the pan. I've sliced my apples thinly, and what you want to do, this is a 9 by 12 pan. Just want to put the apples in just like this. Left a little piece of apple core there. This is my favorite pan to bake in. I call it my favorite baking pan. Just like that. Okay, then what you want to do is, you want to put the dry cake mix, 9 ounces. I have grams, milliliters, teaspoons, tablespoons, ounces right there, 9 ounces. You want to put this over the top. And what I'm going to do, so I'm going to put half of that. Then I'm going to put a little bit of this. A little dab will do you a long ways. Just like this. And then we're going to put a little bit more of this. And now we're going to fest it up just a little bit by putting these beautiful fall sprinkles in of leaves. Just going to kind of go like this. It'll make it festive and pretty. We're just going to sprinkle some right in like this. Ray loves sprinkles. Me, not so much, but him, yeah. So then we're going to put this in, just like that. Oh, bet this is going to make the house smell so good. And we'll put a few more in. And then we're going to put the flour in, just like this. Hope everybody's having a great day today. It was humid this morning. Now it looks like we've got some thunderstorms starting to come in here. It's clouded up. It got cool, so I shut my windows of my door. Just like that. Oh, it's gonna smell good. Just the apples and cinnamon. And then I'm gonna take some more of these. Just gonna sprinkle a few more. And now you want to take your melted stick of butter and you just want to pour it on top. Just like this. Oh. This will be a great dessert. There you go. And I'm just going to do a tad more sprinkles just in a few places. I just want it to pop. So there you have it right there. It's going in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. So I'll bring you back. Right here, it's still warm. I looked we don't have any vanilla ice cream, it's all chocolate. And there it is right there. It smells wonderful. If I could just put this smell out to you, the whole house smells so good. Got my Grammy spoons here today. Just gonna take a little bit, Look at this yummy goodness right here. Mmm. This is going to be dessert, so I don't want to eat it all. That wouldn't be very nice of me now, would it? Or would it? I'm sure Ray will eat it all. There's no doubt in my mind. Oh, you can smell the cinnamon and the sugar and the butter. Mm-mm. Here we go, and the apples. Mm. It's a little warm, but it's a whole lot of good. Oh, yum. I love apples. And I don't mind apples being a little warm either. Mm. Tastes really, really good. I wished I could share with you all. Mm. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos, neither do I. If you see the same video the next day, please watch another video because that means I'm a little under the weather right now. I'm dealing with a couple of issues that are putting me in great pain, and now I have a cold on top of everything. So have a great day. God bless. Love you all. See you tomorrow.